Hello, this screencast will walk you through the steps of inserting an image into a blog post using Blogger. The first thing you need to do is open up a Google Chrome web browser and go directly to the Blogger site. If you're already logged into Google, it will take you directly to your dashboard, as mine has done now. If you're not logged in, it will prompt you for your email address as well as your password. Before we can insert an image, we need to create a new post for our blog, and we need to title the post. We want to pick something that's creative, that's going to draw in our reader. And the most exciting thing I experienced this week was our Kamikaze Density Dunk. So I'm going to blog and post about that. Once you have your title, you can click in the body of the post and start inserting text and or images. To insert an image, you click on this icon up at the top, and there's a couple different places you can get an image from. The first is from your computer. If you click on Choose Files, it's going to bring you to your pictures, and I uploaded the pictures from my camera earlier today. And I'm going to choose our Team Kamikaze Blackboard. And while I'm waiting for that to upload, we can look at some of the other options. You can insert a picture that you already have on your blog. We won't necessarily use from a Picasa web album. You can also bring in pictures directly from your phone, but you do need a Google Plus account as well as an app downloaded to your iPhone or your Android. I'm not going to show you how to use a webcam, but you're welcome to do that. In a moment, we'll look at how you bring in an image from a URL. But as you can see, the upload from my computer is nearly finished. When it's done, you'll be able to see a small version of the picture, and I can see that it's there, and I'm going to click Add Selected, and it's going to put it right into the body of my blog. Now you can choose to edit the image by clicking on it. You can change the size, small, right now it's at medium. You can also change the alignment to left, right, or center. I kind of like this one in the center. You can add a caption. You can also choose, if you decide you want to use a different image, to remove the image altogether. So let's look at another way to insert an image using a URL. So we're going to click from a URL. There's a couple different places you can take an image from. I have a Flickr account, which I downloaded the pictures from our very first day of school in the Marshmallow Challenge. So again, you can take pictures, other people's images from Flickr as long as you cite them appropriately, which I will have a screencast for that in the near future. Or you can take pictures of mine or that you have uploaded to Flickr. So I'm going to go to my sets of images. And when you're taking a picture from Flickr or adding it to your blog post, you click on the image. You're then going to right click on the image, and it gives you a choice of sizes. Again, I usually stick with one of the medium sizes, and it will bring you to the main page for that image. You will right click one more time, copy image URL, go back to your blog, and paste that URL. And you can see the blog is searching for the image. It found it, and I can click Add Selected, and it puts it right into the body of my blog post. I can again edit it by clicking on the image or choose to remove it. You can also, not just from Flickr, but take images from other sites. We'll look at my website for an example. So if I go to Google Sites, it will take me to my class website that I have created. And since we're talking about our density dunk that occurred at Grosse Pointe North, maybe we'd like to include an image of our school. So here's my website, and I've already included that image. If I right click on the image, again, copy image URL, I go back to Blogger, insert image from a URL, and I can paste. It's going to search for that image and add selected. So those are just a couple of the ways to insert an image into a blog post from Blogger. Again, in the future, there will be a screencast about citing work as well as including a video.